Muling binigyang halaga ng Pilipinas na marisolba ang usapin sa West Philippine Sea sa mapayapang paraan. Kasunod nito, ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda, maghahain ng memorial sa International Tribunal ang Pilipinas kaugnay ng kaso laban sa China. Samantala, inirerespeto naman ng pamahalaan ang pag-iral ng malayang pamamahayag matapos ang isinagawang protesta ng ilang militanteng grupo sa harap ng Chinese Embassy.
We have a free democracy. Everybody is free to express their opinion. While an ally, Akbayan, chooses to express their opinion in that manner. I think the bottom line in all these actions or whatever action you take, whatever position you take, is that the Philippines has always maintained has always insisted on the application of the rule of law and the use of a diplomatic solution to the conflict in the South China Sea. And insofar as we are concerned, the arbitration case before the ITLOS is our adherence to the rules base and a application of the rule of law.